When you're preparing to cut down a tree, you want to make sure that it goes in the direction that you want it to go in. So it's real important to understand the lean of the tree. This tree behind me, this Virginia pine, appears to be standing straight up. From your angle, from where the audience is, it looks like the tree is standing straight up. But let's make sure. I have a method of looking at the tree and doing a 3-point walkabout and looking up the trunk of the tree to determine which way it's actually leaning. So I'm gonna step over here and take a look. First point is looking straight up here. It just about looks like it's standing straight up from where I'm at. Come over here, on this side, it looks like it's leaning that direction. So let's look at it from one more direction. Back here, so this tree is definitely leaning that direction. Now that we've determined the tree is leaning due south, we know that the tree is going that direction. Deeper notch, back cut, and we're good to go.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.